Hello everyone. I hope you are doing fine, especially safe and happy wherever you are in this world. So I'm back again. This readings for the zodiac sign of Cancer, Leo and Virgo, and it may not resonate with every one of you, but please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Even a single message is always fine. If you take even a single message from my reading, that's absolutely fine. So now let's begin. I'll start with the Cancer first, and let's see what is the message for my Cancerians. My love team, please give me the message for the Cancerians, my love team, Cancerians collective. This is a reading for the full moon on 22nd August, and the full moon is in Aquarius. So lot of energy of freedom, change, something unexpected, and things like that. So 22nd of this month, we are going to be a witness to the full moon. So now let's see what is the message for the Cancerians, my love team. What is the message for the Cancerians, my love team? Okay. So the message is reaching your destination, and it says your light is shining brightly. Reaching the destination, and it is saying that your light is shining brightly. Maybe you are working on something, you are working on achieving some sort of a goal, and this seems to be a yes card. You will get success in your journey, and you will reach your destination, whatever goal, whatever you are wanting to achieve in life. Very good. Wow, this is a very, very good card. Very good card. I'm very happy. Now let's see what is the message of the tarot for you, my Cancerians. Cancerians are very affectionate. They are very loving. It's a water sign, and they are always full of happiness, joy, compassionate. Almost all the water signs are like that: Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So let's see what is the message of the tarot for our Cancerians. Let's see what is the message of the tarot for our Cancerians collective here. I'm very happy to see that you will be able to achieve whatever you have been trying out, whatever you have been working towards. Now let's see what is the message of the Cancerians. All right. Alright, so the overall energy is 9 of Wands for you Cancerians. Lot of challenges. You have faced lot of challenges to come this far, and do not give up your resilience. You're not willing to give up till you reach your goal, till you reach your destination. Cancerians, this is the overall energy. You are defending yourself. You have faced lot of competition, and you are defending yourself, your energy, protecting your energy in order to reach the goal. Then you have the Page of Cups. So you are working towards some sort of opportunity which you will get in future. Some sort of opportunity, you have been working towards it. Exactly, I told you that you have been working something to reach your goals. You're working hard for it, and you will definitely achieve it, whatever you're working. Let me clarify this Page of Cups here. What is this energy of Page of Cups here? Please clarify the Page of Cups for the Cancerians here. The Page of Cups. Let's see what is the energy of the Page of Cups here. Alright, so the Page of Cups is clarified by the Two of Pentacles, by the Four of Pentacles, and by the Four of Wands. So this means that Cancerians, you have been going back and forth in order to make a decision, in order to decide and weighing all options, all pros and cons here. And maybe you have also rejected a few offers here. It may be a love scenario also, it may be a work also, and you have been wanting to achieve something in your home front, something which brings stability, which is a very happy situation for you. This is what I have for you, Cancerians, and that's what you have been working towards. So a very good reading here for you, Cancerians. So whatever opportunity you get, you should you weigh the weigh all the options, and then you take a decision. You are already in a decision taking mode. Now let's see, what are you manifesting, Cancerians? Let us see, what are you manifesting, my Cancerians collective? All right. Fairy magic. Respectfully work with the fairies and elements to achieve your goals. So you are manifesting something which for which you should use all the elements for your goals. Whatever you can do, whatever you have all the ingredients for success, so you should use all your qualities, hard work, or whatever material, whatever information, whatever research you have to do in order to achieve the success here. So you want to you can use all the elements to achieve your goals. This is what you are manifesting, Cancerians. Very good. Now let's see the reading for our Leos here. What is the full moon message for the Leos here? So Cancerians are working hard. Let's see what you are doing, my Leos. This is the Leo season also. Okay, so let's see what is the message for the Leos in general. Leos collective. What is the message for the Leos collective here? Or let's see what is the message of the Leos collective here. What is the message for the Leos collective here? Let's have a look. All right. Let's see what is the message for the Leos. Far away places, get ready for new horizons. Far away places, get ready for the new horizons, which means that Leos, definitely there are certain changes coming into your life. You might be traveling also to some faraway place. Lot of changes are happening in your life. Be prepared for the new horizons. This is what we have for you, Leos. Now let's see what is the message of the tarot for you, my love team. What is the message for the Leos? What is the message for the Leos here? Collective. Faraway places. So let's see what is the message for the Leos collective, my love team. This is the Leo season also. Let's see what is the message here for the Leos. All right. Alright, so the overall energy is King of Cups. For you Leos, you are very emotional here, or you maybe there's someone who has a lot of love for you here, and you may be also having a lot of love for this person. This is the overall energy, feeling very emotional towards something. And the cards which you have got is the Hermit, then the Page of Wands, and the Three of Wands. So you are actually waiting patiently far away places. This is also shows that you are waiting patiently for your ships to come, or maybe you have worked towards something. You are waiting for the results, and You are waiting also for a brand new opportunity. You're preparing yourself for an opportunity to come, and you have done lot of thinking. Hermit, uh, which is like, you have been, and this is also your energy, Aries, Leo, Sag. So you are thinking a lot. You have thought out a lot, what to do, what not to do. My Cancerian. So let me clarify this. You are waiting here. Let me clarify the Page of Wands here. Alright, Cancerians, these are your cards. Page of Wands is clarified by the Two of Cups, the Six of Wands, and the Chariot. So I think you are dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You are wanting to move, and this is a very, very divine, loving connection. Absolutely love for each other, and you people are like made for each other, kind, lot of love, respect for each other, and you are waiting for some sort of victory in your relationship. Maybe you are waiting for your partner to reciprocate to you, and then you're waiting to move forward. So you're waiting for an opportunity to come so that you can take a decision, because you have done lot of you've done lot of thinking here, and so you are patiently waiting for some sort of result, some sort of maybe some sort of, because two of cups is a partnership cup. It's like two people in love with each other. So maybe you're waiting for your counterpart to come, and maybe he's far away from you. So this is what I have for you, Leos. And let us see, what are you trying to manifest, Leos? I think you're trying to manifest love here more than anything else. So let's see, what are you trying to manifest, Leos? Please give me the manifestation card for the Leo. Earth. Your card is Earth. It says that ask the elements of Earth for grounding, stability, and strength in times of chaos. So you are trying to manifest, and also you at the bottom of the deck, you have love charm here also, which says that attract a lover attract a lover, soulmate, or a life partner. This is what you are trying to manifest, this, and for this you can use all the earth elements for grounding and stability. Earth elements is that you should connect more with nature. You should connect more with the nature. You should connect towards, you should do a lot of